Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Banga tomato stew recipe. Stay tuned. For this special recipe, we will be needing some Banga concentrates. If you are in Nigeria, please make use of fresh palm nuts. Next thing on my list is my turkey wings already seasoned and cooked to perfection. Here I have my pre-cooked mackerel fish. It is a great addition to this recipe. I also have my meat stock. Actually, this is a combination of meat and fish stock. And here is my pepper mixture already fried and ready. And here is my tomato paste. Guys, I know you guys remember this tomato paste, the one I made some months ago. If you haven't watched that video, please be sure to check the description box for the link, okay? It has been keeping for some months now and it's still perfect. Here is my chopped onions. And over here is my crayfish. I'm going to grind it, okay? And I have some habanero pepper. I just have three. You can add more or less. I have some banga spice. You can use ehuru, that is calabash nutmeg, if you don't have access to this, okay? So this is what I'll be making use of for this recipe. And finally is our seasoning cubes and salt. Because of the residue that looks like sand and kernel, I've learned to mix my banga concentrate in water first, allow it to settle down before I transfer it into my pot. So here I mixed it with my meat stock, then I added more water. I used my meat stock because I don't want a situation where after adding just plain water I'll still have to add my meat stock. That means I'll have a runny stew and that's not what I want for this recipe, okay? So just go ahead and add that water or meat stock and get the consistency that you want. Set it aside. Now to a heated pot, pour in some oil. When the oil heats up, add in your chopped onions and fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. After frying the onions, I added my tomato paste. That's my fresh tomato paste. I mixed everything together. Next, I added my bell pepper mixture and I fried everything for about 2 to 3 more minutes. Next, I went in with my banga mixture. Now give it a very good stir, cover it and let it cook for about 7 minutes. This was after about 7 minutes. Everything was just boiling down. So what I did was just to stir it a second time. Then I added in my already cooked turkey wings. Why I added the turkey now is just for the turkey to absorb the flavor and the taste of the banga. Okay, that's why I added the meat at this point. Then after adding the meat, I added my seasoning cubes. I added the banga spice. Remember, if you don't have this banga spice, just add ehuru. Okay, just add your ground ehuru. Next, I added my pepper paste and I added my ground crayfish. I also added some salt. Just add whatever seasoning that you would want to add to your stew at this point. Okay, this is the time for you to add whatever it is that you love adding to your banga stew at this point. One very important spice that I don't add to this banga is ogiri obe, known as dawa dawa. Okay, I think the English name is castor seed or locust bean. I'm not exactly sure, but that is the only spice I omitted, and the reason is because I combined this with tomatoes. And this was after 2 to 3 minutes. This stew is ready at this point. So the last thing is just to add the fish, the already cooked mackerel fish. Then if you have any vegetable that you want to use, you can add it also now. Okay, because the mackerel fish is already cooked, at this point just turn off your stove, or just reduce the heat so that the fish doesn't scatter or disintegrate inside your pot. Then you can also go in with your vegetables. Okay, I did not add vegetable to this because I don't have the type of vegetable I would love to add to it. I would have loved to add scent leaf or fresh ugu, but because of the location I could not find them, so I just made mine plain. Okay, but just feel free to add whatever you love. Then go ahead and serve this with your rice, your white rice, your brown rice, your local rice, your basmati rice, whatever type of rice you like. Just serve this with the rice and you're gonna enjoy it. Okay, I hope you try out this recipe soonest, and if you do, just let me know in the comment section how it turns out. Thank you so much for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up. I will see you in my next one. Until then, stay safe and God bless you. Bye.